As a paramedic, it's really important to constantly be assessing your surroundings.
When you're on scene, it's not just your patient that you have to worry about, it's people around and bystanders.
Hello, paramedics.
When entering a potentially dangerous house, my partner and I always have an exit strategy.
We never really know what we're walking into.
You're always looking over your shoulder.
Okay.
Things can get out of hand very quickly.
Okay, hey.
And sometimes things go wrong.
Watch yourself.
I need you to pay attention when you're driving.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
Face to 1967. Response Bravo for a 26-year-old male feeling unwell. All other info unknown.
Call comes in for a 26-year-old male who's conscious and alert, who's feeling unwell. We don't have a lot of information at this point, so we need to be prepared for anything.
You got your gloves?
Yeah. Hi.
Open up.
Watch your head, fellas.
Patient's in a basement suite,
Is this who we're here for?
and I recognize him from a previous call.
Yes, he is one that called.
Okay.
I picked him up before.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
I picked up this patient about a month ago after he had smoked some meth and he was having a bad trip.
How about we go upstairs and we'll go to the ambulance and we'll
Oh, yeah, thanks.
continue to do our thing, okay?
Safety.
At this point, we're not exactly sure who our patient is, but we're remembering that we have dealt with him in the past.
I think we should probably take you in, Josh.
Let's see if you can stand. What's going on?
And the fact that we've all been seeing him a little bit more frequently.
Does he have medical conditions?
Our doctor said if he keeps drinking, he's gonna die.
Any meth at all, dude?
Friends.
You're at a friend's place?
I'm starting to feel agitated.
Once we get a first and last name on this patient,
Or slip in your jacket or your sweater off.
we all start to remember little details about him. The fact that he's been drinking alcohol since he was 11.
What about the BDU? Can we take you to the detox unit?
That he does have a meth addiction.
Picked him up like a month and a half ago. He was very much the same. He's been using meth for like probably 6 months now.